Hi guys, here in Arabic Meso. Look at our waiter here. It's very handsome. Look at that. See, Mr. Julio. Look. He's single, huh? Still single. Oh, see? Okay, we'll start now the big here in salad. Wow, fresh salad. And laban. Wow, this is a fresh laban with pipino. Wow. The grind pipino or cucumber, sorry, cucumber, grind cucumber, a little bit here, green pepper, and wow, this what today, what is today? Tariq Bhai, what is the menu today? What is the menu today? Chicken, this one, or fish? Fish, huh? Kusari, huh? Oh, kusari. Wow. Kusari. See, I told you they have a new one. See? Very caring of our very handsome waiter. See? This kukari. Wow, I like garlic, fried garlic. Wow, nice. And wow, this one, yep, nice, huh? Look at that. Beef shawarma. And potato mash. Voila. Potato mash. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.